hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change so that I can stay. So bad when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my. Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for but it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my relationship. I switched it out so damn quick. If he ain't getting fit, my shit. But it just ain't like that with you. I even had tried that shit with you, boy. What I was done, gotta try something new, boy. I don't know what I'll do. I was tired of wasting time. You ain't never gonna change your mind. Tired of hearing all your lies. But I wanna leave you lonely, so I come crawling back. Hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change